One day, we were refreshing to the forest. Nice day, accompanied by the singing of birds. We are trying to find a strategic place to cook, with a fish menu that has been prepared. Some people are waiting. Instant noodles are a solution if the food is not cooked. While the men prepare the grilled chicken menu, the women prepare the dessert menu. After eating, some who brought their families enjoyed the cold river water flowing from the mountain. But unfortunately, some of the water is cloudy, because 2 days ago this forest was rained. We packed things up and will be home soon. Next time, we hope to come back here again.